If you want to delete all TikTok messages at once, let me show you the real process. So first you have to open up your TikTok and go to the inbox section. Here you will see all the messages you have chatted before. Now if you want to delete messages one by one, just tap and hold on chat and just delete it. You can also swipe left on a conversation and you will find this delete option from here too, and then go for it and confirm the process. But if you have a lot of message requests and don't want to delete them one by one, here's the easiest way. You just have to go for it and tap on the three dot menu. Here you will see the select option is pop up. So just you have to select all of them from here and then tap on it. After that, tap delete all and confirm the action. And that's it. All messages are gone from here. That's how you can delete all TikTok messages at once from your TikTok. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.